Hey Jaguars, welcome to another week at Jefferson, where Jaguar leaders discover ways to use their ideas and hands to change the world. It's time for our weekly announcements for April the 19th through April the 23rd. Our menu for the week is as follows. On Monday, cheese sticks and marinara sauce. Tuesday, chicken nuggets and sauce. Wednesday, hamburger or cheeseburger. Thursday, chicken leg or thigh with a biscuit. And on Friday, snack bag with Go-Gurt, string cheese, Doritos, and Bug Bites. Jaguars, just a reminder that from 7:45 till 8:30 each morning, please pick up your breakfast from the cart between first and second grade hallways. No one should be going to the cafeteria after 7:45 each morning, but you can pick up your breakfast from the grab and go cart after 7:45 each day. Let's continue to work together to wear our masks, washing our hands, and practicing social distancing. Parents, thank you for helping keep our Jaguars safe during dismissal each day. All car riders and walkers who are being picked up by a car on a particular day are to enter your car in the K through 2 or the 3 through 5 car lanes. Thank you for your help in this matter. On Wednesday of this week, our 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade students will be taking the T and Ready state testing. Jaguars, you've got this. Remember to get a good night's sleep, eat a healthy breakfast, and arrive to school on time each day. You've got this. This is an opportunity to show what you've mastered and areas of support needed as you begin the next school year. You are a Jaguar leader, and you make us Jaguar proud every day. Hey, kindergarten, 1st, and 2nd grade students, our 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade students need your help. So during the days of testing, we ask that you walk in the hallways at a level 0. Our Jefferson RCL students will be testing at our school in the afternoons each day, so all of us will need to work together to be at a level 0 when we are walking in the hallways. An announcement will be made at the end of each afternoon at the completion of testing. Until you hear that announcement, please transition at a level 0. Need a clean car? Come on out to Ultimate Shine Car Wash from now until June the 30th. Leave with a clean car and Jefferson will receive 30% of your visit. You can use the code as many times as you would like between now and June the 30th. The instructions have also been posted on Class Dojo. It's time to celebrate some terrific Jaguar teachers. Congratulations to Miss Parker, Miss Steigert, and Mrs. Fleming for receiving tenure from the Kingsport City Schools. Jaguars, this is a great accomplishment for these amazing teachers. I hope you will congratulate them. Way to go! 13 of our Jefferson Jaguars received a wonderful honor this past week. Students all over the nation entered the National Music K-8 contest, designing a poster for their magazine. The following 13 Jaguars were selected as winners, the most in Jefferson history. So congratulations goes to in 2nd grade, Finley C. and Nora V. In 3rd grade, Oliver A., Callie L., Lily S., and Annabelle T. In 4th grade, Riley B., Ashlyn C., Tessa L., Eden L., Bethany S., and Adeline S. And in 5th grade, Ella T. Way to go, Jaguars! And now it's time to celebrate our Jaguars who have a birthday this week. Celebrating a birthday on April the 18th in 3rd grade is Lucy Kate G. On April the 19th is Mrs. Helfie, one of our 1st grade teachers. On April the 20th in kindergarten is Jasper L. On April the 21st is Anson Z. and Mrs. Stone, one of our instructional assistants. On April the 22nd in 4th grade is Elizabeth S. And on April the 24th is Mrs. Rowe, one of our speech pathologists. It's your birthday! It's your birthday! Yeah, yeah, yeah! So enjoy celebrating, Jaguars! And now it's time to highlight our leaders of the week. In kindergarten, Colt M., Lillian Q., Annie R., and Madeline W. In 1st grade, Cooper B., Eleanor C., Everly G., Alden H., and Jensen L. In 2nd grade, Aora B., Dawson P., Santos R., and Nora V. In 3rd grade, TJ A., Amelia L., Lavondre L., and River W. In 4th grade, Rylan E., Olivia L., Charlesy M., and JCY. And in 5th grade, D'Angelo E., Tyler J., and Ella T. You make us Jaguar proud. For our words of wisdom this week, here's a quote from Zig Ziglar. Among the things you can give and still keep are your word, a smile, and a grateful heart. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Mann, your school counselor, encouraging all of us to be a difference maker. And now you may join your teacher or your family for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence.